pronounce the country's name in English. So let's start. আমরা জানি যে এশিয়া একটি মহাদেশের নাম এবং আজকে আমরা দেখব এশিয়ার মধ্যে কিছু কিছু দেশের pronunciation. So let's start. First we have Bangladesh. Bangladesh. We usually say it Bangladesh, but it's not Bangladesh, it's Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Slowly, Bangladesh. Then we have India. Then we have China. We usually say China, but it's not China, it's China. Then we have Pakistan. Yeah. Myanmar, right? Yeah. We have Thailand, right? Yeah. Thailand কিন্তু ঘোরাটা অনেকই মজার. Thailand. Singapore. আমরা বলি Singapore, but it's not Singapore, it's Singapore. Very cool, right? Yeah. Iran, right? Yeah. Then we have Iraq. Indonesia, right? Yeah. Malaysia, right? Yeah. Bhutan, right? Yeah. Kashmir. Sri Lanka. Very cool, right? Yeah. আমরা কিন্তু খুব মজার এগুলো pronunciation গুলো শিখে যাচ্ছি, right? Yeah. কি মতন এটুকুই, আবার দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে. So if you like the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, please share this video. So bye bye everyone. See you soon.